In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Bluetooth could not connect problem in Windows 11. Let's get started. First, launch your settings, then navigate to the option Windows Update. Once you're in this page, click on the option Advanced option, then head over to the option Optional Updates, click on it. If any updates are available, just check in for it and click on Download and Install. Then click on the option Windows Update. Click on the option Check for Updates and make sure your system is fully updated because missing updates can often cause Bluetooth issues. If the problem still continues, open the Start menu again and search for Device Manager. Launch it. Now expand the Bluetooth section. Right-click your Bluetooth adapter and choose Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers, then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Choose your Bluetooth device and install it. Once done, try reconnecting your device. If the problem still continues, launch Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices. Then scroll down, click on the option More Devices and Printer Settings. Right-click your Bluetooth device and select Remove device, confirm it, and then click Add a device to pair it again from scratch. This process usually fixes the Bluetooth connection error and allows your device to connect properly again. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.